Fuck, there's too many buildings to get a lot of kills on this. Oh yeah, it's on.
Damn.
Are you watching it?
Yeah. Right here, cheating. Run fast again.
Hold on.
How high can he jump?
I was wondering if they got the same thing. They do. Okay.
Don't worry, he'll be there in no time.
Still firing. No reloading. Time to find out. What's the bad boy gonna do?
Dude flew by me. To your left. Toss grenades, dude.
Huh?
Toss grenades, dude.
Oh, do I have any?
Yeah. You got one. I mean, I'm sure they refresh.
I just seen a shotgun. I want to see what happens when I get a shotgun. I'll lose it? Yeah. Ridiculous. They're sitting there sighting in and shooting at people. Throw some grenades, damn.
Oh.
This is retarded. You getting all this?
Yeah. You get the last kill.
5 and 2 out of all that shit. 44 and 8. Alright, shut it off.